China's navy, once a coastal defense force, has transformed into the world's largest navy by hull count in just a few decades. This remarkable metamorphosis has been steered by China's strategic ambitions. As the country's economic and political influence expands, so too does its desire for a more assertive maritime strategy. The People's Liberation Army Navy, or PLAN, plays a crucial role in this strategy. It safeguards China's vital shipping lanes, extends its territorial claims and projects power in the South China Sea and beyond. This rapid expansion is not merely a matter of numbers, but a strategic move designed to secure China's interests and assert its presence on the global stage. The plan is a reflection of China's growing ambitions and its commitment to becoming a global maritime power. This impressive growth is a clear sign of China's emerging role as a global maritime power. China's naval transformation is not just about quantity, but also quality. A substantial part of this impressive metamorphosis is attributed to China's technological advancements and significant investments in shipbuilding and naval technology. One cannot overlook the strides China has made in developing advanced warships. These aren't just floating pieces of metal, but complex ecosystems of technology, systems and personnel. They are equipped with state-of-the-art weapons and sensor systems. They are designed to project power, to protect, and to deter. These warships, with their cutting-edge capabilities, are a testament to China's technological prowess. Then, there's the silent yet formidable submarines. These underwater predators, armed with torpedoes and missiles, are designed for stealth and strike capability. They are a critical component of China's naval strategy, ensuring its undersea warfare capabilities are on par with the best in the world. Let's not forget the crowning jewels, the aircraft carriers. These floating air bases are symbols of a nation's military might, and China has been investing heavily in these behemoths. They enable China to project power far from its shores and mark a significant leap in China's naval capabilities, but none of these advancements would be possible without China's vast industrial capacity. The country's colossal industrial base has facilitated the rapid construction and expansion of the People's Liberation Army Navy. It's this industrial might that enables China to churn out new warships at a rate unmatched by other nations. This combination of technological advancement and industrial capacity has not just led to an increase in the number of ships, but also a qualitative improvement in their capabilities. It's not just about having the most ships, but also about having some of the best. China's technological and industrial prowess has propelled the plan into the modern naval era, reducing the technological gap with other naval powers. From a force that was once considered backward, China's navy has transformed into a modern, technologically advanced fleet. This is a testament to China's commitment to becoming a major player on the world stage, a player that is not just counted for its numbers, but also respected for its quality. While the plan has grown rapidly, it's important to place this growth in context. When we compare the People's Liberation Army Navy with established naval powers, especially the United States, we find some intriguing disparities. Yes, the plan boasts over 355 active vessels, a count that surpasses the combined fleets of the United States and Russia. This size enables China to exert considerable control over its maritime domain and respond effectively to potential threats. However, the picture changes when we examine the types of vessels and overall capabilities. The U.S. Navy, despite having fewer vessels, possesses a larger number of active aircraft carriers and nuclear-powered submarines. These assets, along with more advanced technologies and combat experience, give the U.S. Navy a distinct advantage. So, while the plan's growth is indeed impressive, it's crucial to remember that, despite the plan's impressive size, the U.S. Navy remains the most powerful in terms of overall capabilities. China's naval modernization is far from over. As we look towards the horizon, we can see the People's Liberation Army Navy, or PLAN, is focused on a future that's even more technologically advanced. The blueprint for this future includes the development of sophisticated warships that are equipped with cutting-edge technology, like hypersonic missiles that can travel at speeds unimaginable just a few years ago. In addition to this, the plan is also pioneering the use of unmanned underwater vehicles. These autonomous machines have the potential to revolutionize naval warfare, opening up new possibilities for reconnaissance, mine detection, and even combat. These advancements are not just about enhancing China's naval capabilities, they are about reshaping the global maritime balance, a balance that for decades has been dominated by traditional naval powers. As China's navy continues to evolve, it is set to shape the future of global maritime power dynamics.
Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.